world champion, Adam Liang, coming in, tennis champ. Everyone knows who he is. Everyone knows he's the best. But will he win or lose to the rookie star, Yash? I'm the ref, Neel Gandhi, over here watching these two men play. As you can see here, Yash stretching out his muscles, letting acetylcholine being flushed out into his body and all into his cells so that he can help muscle movement during the game. Looks like Adam is over here feeling a little cocky. Might not be too many neurotransmitters being released over there, you know? Like, rookie Yash looking ready. Looks like his adrenaline is being pumped out by his adrenal glands, you know? His heart rate is getting faster, is pumping up more, his breathing's getting better, his muscles getting stronger. So let's see how he does. That's in!
Yeah!
Love! What?
Are you serious?
What happened?
That was out! Did you
What
leave
are you
your
talking
occipital
about?
lobe at home or something?
My occipital lobe.
Come on, man! What do you? That was out!
No, it looks like his amygdala is
God!
making him aggressive, man. Can't have aggressive players. Calm down.
Right.
It's out. It's out. Yash is facing up, you know, the world champ, so he's gonna have to use his frontal lobe and cerebral cortex. Frontal lobe helps him with, you know, movement, basic movement stuff, but it also helps him plan and make up a strategy against his opponent and check out the whole tennis court in front of him, since he has environmental awareness. He also keeps his memory storage for all his old plays and tricks backed up in the frontal, and the cerebral cortex is where he has all his higher levels of thinking and thoughts so that he can think about how he's going to make his next move and win. We have a good volley going on, you know, a good volley. You know, they're using their cerebellum for movement and coordination and making sure that their body actually lines up with what they want to do and what they're thinking about doing. Their pons also helps them with balance, and it's in their hindbrain next to the brainstem, helping them stand up on their feet up straight and make sure they score those points. You know, Adam being a pro over here, his temporal lobe is well honed, you know, his ears sending messages to them so that he can process the hearing and he can hear where the ball is in the air. And every single sensory process first goes through his thalamus, which is the main honing point that's sent off to all the different lobes. And his other processes that the thalamus sends him are to the parietal lobe, which has the somatosensory cortex, processes all the sensations that he feels while he's playing. Great start, great retaliation. Adam over here using both of his hands, left and right. Great use of his left and right hemisphere, which control, funnily, the opposite parts of the bodies that they correspond with. So the left controls the right and the right controls the left. Left hemisphere usually associated with verbal processing, higher understanding, language, speech, while right hemisphere is more for art, music, and creativity. But both work together with the corpus callosum, and it shows that Adam is a really strong one using both at the same time. Yo, are you alright? Are you good?
I ran out of cortisol, man.
Ran out of cortisols. For those of you that don't know, cortisol is a hormone that gives body glucose by tapping into protein stores in the liver. And hormones like cortisol, along with adrenaline that, you know, Yash had earlier, they're pumped into the circulatory system, which, you know, is the bloodstream and flows throughout the body, giving the different cells and body organs the hormones and energy and oxygen that they need. Match point, 40-30, advantage to the rookie Yash, you know, surprising to everyone, but this game is full of surprises. this? New champion. Look at, you could tell he's happy from all the pleasure, all the endorphins and dopamine being released into his circulatory
Let's go.
system, his bloodstream. You know, Adam over there looks like he's a little mad. Looks like his amygdalas are acting up, you know? But, you know, all in all, it was a good game. We got a new reigning champ. And we also learned a lot about the brain, didn't we?